Welcome back again, over and over to my kitchen, the one and only Shaggy Cooking Lifestyle. So today we are going to make some steamed fish in foil paper. These are what we are working with today, my people. Red sinapa. So I already cleaned my fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to season them. I already cleaned them, washed them and everything. They have prepared, so I'm gonna be slicing them by this at the side, and I'm gonna season them, and then I'm going to season in this area and the inside. See, my fish is well clean and nice. So I'm gonna put a little of my all-purpose seasoning here, my all-purpose. And this is my fish seasoning. I'm gonna add a little fish seasoning too. I'm gonna mix all of them together. And also, I'm gonna add some easy spice. I'm going to just mix all my seasoning together. And then I'm going to just use it just like that to season my fish. I'm going to start with this one. Let me get my gloves. So yes, my people, so I'm seasoning my fish. So yes, my people, so now my fish is seasoned. I'm gonna cut up my vegetable and my pumpkin so I can stuff my fish. So my fish is seasoned. I'm putting it to marinate. So yes, my people, so I'm gonna cut up all my seasoning here. I'm gonna cut them up in small chunks so I can put them into my fish to stuff my fish. So I have my collard greens right here, my bell pepper, my onion, my pumpkin, my okra, most of all, my tomato, and my onion, my garlic. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna start by cutting up my scallion. And then I'm gonna cut up my okra. So there you go, my people. That's my, now I'm going to be cutting up my collard greens. I'm going to rinse my collard greens one more time. I have to cut my collard greens very small so it can steam with the fish. Yes, my people, that's my collard greens and everything right here. Let me chop up my tomato. Chop half of it because I'm going to blend the other half. Yes, my people, so I'm going to put all of this into a bowl. And then I'm going to mix it up together. I'm gonna put my thyme on the stem. And I'm gonna add a little bit of fish, all-purpose seasoning. And also a little bit of my total seasoning. So yes, my people, so I blend a portion of my seasoning. So I'm gonna dump it in here. I'm gonna dump it in here and I'm gonna mix it together. So that's this seasoning, it's all a little of my onion, a little of my bell pepper, a little of my scallion. And I'm gonna just mix it together. I'm gonna mix this together. This is smelling so delicious. After mixing this together, you make sure it's all mixed up. Everything is mixed together. Everything. So then you can use this to stuff your fish. Then we're gonna use this to stuff the fish. Okay, my people? So stay tuned, because I'm gonna be stuffing my fish in a little bit. Stay tuned. So this is the stuffing for my fish, my people. That's the stuffing for my fish. Only thing I might do, I think I'm gonna cut some more okra. I'm putting in the other okra in here, and I'm gonna mix it up again, because I want all of it to combine. So this is the stuffing for the fish, my people. Look at it. That's the stuffing for the fish. That's the stuffing for the fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my file paper to start stuff my fish. So yes, my people, so before I go further, I forgot to put in my carrot. I have my shredded carrot here. So I'm adding my carrot. That is it. And mix again. And now I'm gonna stuff my fish. So this is the stuffing for my fish, my people. So yes, my people, so I put 2 layers of file paper. And then I'm gonna use some butter to butter it. Then I'm gonna grab my fish and I'm gonna put some butter on the inside. I'm gonna put some butter on the inside of my fish, like that. And then I'm gonna take my stuffing and I'm gonna stuff my fish. I'm gonna stuff it. I'm going to stuff it. So after stuffing your fish and you put it to the side like that, then I'm going to get some more butter and put it on this side, right in the crack. And I'm going to add a little of my stuffing on the outside of it. Just a little bit of my stuffing. Okay, that is it. Then I'm gonna wrap my fish. So this is one of my fish. I'm gonna put it aside and do the other one. I'm gonna repeat the process. If you notice, I'm using one piece of file paper now because that one was a little too much. Then I'm gonna grab my fish and I'm gonna put some butter on the inside. The same process, I'm gonna repeat it over and over again for my 3 fish. Then I'm gonna grab my stuffing and I'm gonna stuff my fish again. Then I'm gonna get some more butter and put on the outside in this crack here, and in this crack here, and in this one. And I'm gonna grab a little more of my, and put it on the outside. Then I'm gonna wrap my fish. I still have to get my other piece of file paper, but that is it, my peeper. Process again, my peeper. One more time. Then I'm gonna put a little butter on the outside like the other one, like that. And then I'm gonna use the rest of my seasoning and just put it on the outside. And then I'm gonna wrap it tight. Use any kind of fish you like. Any fish of your choice, you can use them. And then I'm gonna place them into my fish. Then I'm gonna be putting them on the grill on the outside, and then I'm going to start to make some roti. Stay tuned. Here's my peeper. So I just put a little bit of water in my pan, not to cover my fish, just a little, so it can steam the fish in the file paper. So now I'm going to fit this inside my grill. You can put it on your stove or you can put it in your oven, but I'm going to put it on my grill. So see you in a bit. So yes, my people, so now I'm about to make my roti. So I have a little bit of flour, 3 scoops of flour. I'm gonna use cornstarch. I'm gonna use 1 scoop of cornstarch. So one cup of cornstarch. And then we're gonna use baking powder. We're gonna use some baking powder. Then we're gonna mix it like this. And then I'm gonna use buttermilk. I'm gonna use buttermilk. I'm gonna add a little salt. Just a little bit of salt, not a lot. Pinch of salt. I'm going to use the buttermilk to make the dough. It's too soft. I make my dough like this, then I ball it up. And I ball it up like this. Like that. Then I just add a little flour right here. Put this on top. And I add a little flour on top of this. And close it down. And do like this. And press. Hold it for a minute. Then you let it go. And that's my roti. That's my roti right here. If you don't get it enough press you want, you can do it again. Press and hold it. There you go. That's the roti. So that's my roti. So yes, my people, so if you don't have a press, all you need to do is to get a roller, a rolling pin like this. Just get a rolling pin, put your flour down, and you can do this. Just if you don't have a press like me, you can just do this. Use a rolling pin and just roll it like that. Just roll it like that. When you use a rolling pin, you can get more flatter than that than my press. And the flatter you get, it's even better for you. See how flat it is? Yeah. That is it, my people. That is it. So yes, my people. So this is my fish. This is my fish. That is it, my people. That is it. Looking so good. And this is my roti. Look at my roti. So this juice is the juice what came out of the fish. So I'm gonna put a little of the juice on top of the fish just to make it a little more juicy. Yes, my people, so let me give you a sample of my fish. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look how nice this is. Yes, my people. And you just tear your roti like this. So tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. This is steamed fish in foil paper. Catch you on the next one. like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.